Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be talking about the $25 all-in-one digital business, and we're using My Lead Gen Secrets to promote it. And we only using one account, day 42, I think. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. So, first, let's talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business here. Now, the first reason, because it's a funnel builder, very sleek funnel builder that you can use for any product. There's no limitation on the funnel builder. You can do whatever you want with the funnel builder. You can make as many pages as you want, all that type of stuff. And there's no limitations for $25 a month. And understand, this ain't the only thing you get with the $25 a month, but I feel like this is the most impressive product in the $25 per month situation here. A very sleek funnel builder that is so much cheaper than any other on the market right now. The most popular funnel builder on the market right now, I believe, is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month. $97 per month, and there's limitations, all kind of limitations. Even so much as only a certain amount of people can see your funnel. If you want to update that, you got to pay $300. So you have anybody can see your funnel. And it's such a sneaky way of doing things, because it's not obvious. You don't really understand, but I thought that was egregious, personally. And the second reason, I think the most important reason why I like promoting this product, and I think the reason why you guys would be interested in promoting this product, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. You can build an income with this. All right. Let's say you get 20 people in the system, right? And they're all doing the 120 per month. 20 people, right? That's an income you can survive off of in most small towns. It can at least pay most of your bills in bigger towns, in cities, in big cities. And let's say you get 20 more. Now you're working with about 5K a month. You definitely can afford, small towns, small city areas. I mean, you'll have trouble in places like New York and LA and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, but like mostly everywhere else, you can have a decent living with that. 40 people, that's all you need. And you can have a decent living. All right, guys, that's just the thing. That's why I like promoting it. It's 80% recurring commissions, which is ridiculous. And the highest I ever heard in my life. And I think it's just the most profitable business to promote right now, period. All right, guys. All right, that's all there is to that. Now let's refresh the page and see what's going on. Now, first of all, I want to talk about refreshing the page when you see results. People will promote products. They will promote, hey, I made money doing this on YouTube or anywhere else, and show you a page with a lot of money on it. Look like they made a lot of money, especially on ClickBank. And what you need them to do is refresh the page so you know for sure that they made the money, because all of these numbers are very easily changed to make it look different. So make sure they hit refresh. All right, we did not get a sale yesterday. It was absolutely fine. Don't worry about that. Not a big deal. We good. Okay, guys? Absolutely fine. Anyway, man, let's keep it moving here. So we're going to go on My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're going to go to the mailing system. What was the last one we did? Full week and the money keeps climbing. All right, we'll go to the next one from that. This is a setup of like 10 emails that I wrote for any money making product. You could change the number around if you want to. I do it sometimes, but yeah, this is what right here. Fastest income, keep building biggest day yet, like that. I want to kind of copy this, copy, paste right here. Boom. All right, and you can copy the page. You could just pause it and copy it. Okay. Just pause it right there for a second. Copy it. Okay. Pause it right there. Copy it. All right. And this is just my signature. You can pick whatever you want for the signature. You ain't gotta put a picture you don't want to. Not a big deal. You don't even gotta put a signature, honestly. I don't seen it work without one too, so whatever. Okay guys, that's about all there is to it. Make sure you hit perfect timing as well, and make sure the link works really well with the system here. Make sure the link works here. My link definitely works. Okay guys. Oh yeah, let me show you guys how to put a link here. Alright, first off, you just go to your affiliate page here. Now you want to copy this here. You want to copy this link here. Is this the link you want? You just copy that link. You go here. This is where you want to put your link. Right here. Start making money today, right? Then you can just click this, click that, and you just post your link there. Like that. Simple as that. Boom. You're done. That's all it takes, guys. I just wanted to show you guys, just in case people don't know how to do it. I got asked the question that before, so I'm just gonna start showing it from now on. I think it was my bad to assume people knew how to do that. It's once you know how to do it on one though, you pretty much know how to do it. Period. You know. But yeah, that's how simple that is. Not a big deal at all. All right, guys. That's all there is to it. You send the email. Boom. That's all there is, guys. Just that simple. All right. Make sure all the links. Make sure to check out all the links if you're willing to follow along with me here. They are in. Excuse me. There. The links are in the description below for the $25 all-in-one business and the My Lead Gen Secret. They're all affiliate links, of course. So I will make some money off of you guys if you sign in under me like that. I feel like that's obvious though, but I just want to say it just in case you guys are interested and wanted to know. And I also have the link in on my channel page up in the top right corner, I believe. If you're interested in doing it that way, that's fine. It's the same thing. It's just I just put it up there because so that I could. That's all. That's the only reason I did it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.